Today we're making baked fish. Looking for an easy steps baked fish recipe? Then you are at right place. Take a large bowl, add olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, parsley, salt, black pepper and basil. Mix all the ingredients well with the help of a spoon or hand beater. Now marinate fish with this prepared mixture and leave it for 1 hour. Now cover the marinated fish slices in aluminium foil sheet. Then bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 375 Celsius. Now prepare lemon butter sauce. Take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 chopped garlic in it. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter and salt in it and mix it well. Add yellow food color and 1 tablespoon of parsley in it and mix it. Sauce is ready. Delicious fish is ready to eat with yummy sauce. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!